that what I think it is? What's going on, guys? So today is another exciting day. As you can see, I just got a package dropped off, and if you follow me on Instagram, which I hope most of you do, a fly just got in. So as you can see, I just got a big old package in the mail. As you've probably seen on my Instagram, I posted a picture today that said the things that I have coming up in my videos. So if you saw that, then you probably know what this is. If not, then it's gonna be a surprise. By the thumbnail, you probably already know anyways. But yeah, guys, I'm super excited to unbox this right now and get it going. Long time coming for this thing. So without any further ado, let me go ahead and unbox this for you guys, because I'm super excited. I can't wait. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. I'm Brent. I go by Ban the Man. And yeah, hope y'all hit the subscribe button and the like button on this video. Drop a comment and tell me if you're new. And I appreciate y'all. And let's get to it. Alright, guys, so hopefully y'all can hear me and see me pretty well. It's going to be kind of a quick unboxing, I think. I don't know what all is in here, but I mean, I have an idea of what all is in here, but I haven't gone through everything yet. So let's just jump right in here. So a box inside of another box. Oh my gosh. This will kind of give you a little hint while I find my knife. Alright, so I think my knife is out in my car. So, use these scissors. This has been a long time coming. Oh my gosh. Holy crap, dude. Look at this bad boy. This thing is freaking massive, man. It's got straps too, like I have a new freaking backpack, dude. That is sick. Wow, so first impressions, this is freaking awesome. I'm going to read off some of the items that are included in this and some of the features that are included in this. Obviously you can see it's a Typhoon H drone. This is the H Pro, and this has the Intel RealSense. So this is obviously the more expensive package that you can get from the Typhoon drone, which I think the brand is called, the way that I've said it is Unique. It's Y-U-N-E-E-C. I don't know if it's Unique or UNEC or whatever, I don't know. This right here is a Typhoon H Pro with the RealSense, 4K camera, 12.4 megapixel pictures, HD video downlink. This has the, I'm pretty sure this drone has the capability to have one pilot and then the other person can control the camera, which is pretty cool. It has a 360 gimbal camera. That's one thing that I like about it. You don't have to turn the drone to get a 360 view, which in my Phantom you do. So pretty much it was between the Phantom 4 and this, and for me, like, the price of this was a lot better than the DJI Phantom 4 for what you get. I think like I got the backpack, 2 batteries, the Wizard wand, which allows you to fly the drone and do stuff like that with just the wand. It comes with the remote that has a built-in tablet. It's an Android-based tablet where you can download like Instagram and stuff. So you're getting a tablet, 4K drone with carbon fiber landing gear, and just like a really like high-tech drone. For, I paid $1,200 for this drone, for this package, the backpack and all included. I think for the Phantom 4, the equivalents to this, what I got would be like 16 to like $2 grand, 1,600 to $2 grand. So I think I got a pretty good deal on this. Best Buy has this same drone, and I believe it's like right at $1,000. Or no, I'm sorry. With the RealSense, I think it was like 1,300 or 1,200, about the same price. But Amazon had a deal going on where I actually bought it from Unique, so it wasn't like a random camera store that you don't know anything about. It came from the actual manufacturer, and it came with the backpack 2 batteries, the controller, and the extra wand. So if you get it from Best Buy, you just get obviously 1 battery, and you don't get the backpack or any of that stuff. So for the same price pretty much. So I thought Amazon, I have Amazon Prime, so I just figured it was like, why not? So anyways, let's get to the, as other YouTubers say, the meat and potatoes of the unboxing. 5 rotor fail-safe mode. So if one of the propellers, it has 6 propellers. If one of them fails, you're able to fly with 5. So in the case that you lose one, if something happens, it locks up or whatever, you're not going to crash pretty much. Obviously, the real sense is the collision prevention. It has a 3-axis gimbal, a integrated 7-inch touchscreen, which is the tablet. Task modes like follow me and stuff like that. I'm gonna lay this down, I think. I haven't opened this yet, guys. This is like, oh my gosh. I was not expecting it to be right here. I thought it was gonna be like inside of another box. Wow, guys. This is insane. So, let me pull these out first. These are the propellers. Nothing too crazy about that. I'm sure all of y'all know what drone propellers look like. I'm gonna pull out all the boxes first before I get to the drone itself. Okay, cable. So let's keep pulling things out. What is this? This is the charger. Oh, this is the antenna. It's kind of cool. So charger, antenna, stuff like that. This is the battery charger, 1 battery. This is a big selling point for me, guys. So as some of you may know, I do real estate drone stuff, videos and pictures and stuff like that. This isn't just for my YouTube channel, this is actually to work with. So 2 batteries is a big thing for me because my DJI, I did not have 2 batteries. I had a single battery, and I'd have about 25 minutes maybe of flight time. And if I was in windy conditions, if I went up, it would take even more of that battery. So I'd have maybe like 18 to like 15 minutes of flight time. And sometimes you can't get all of your shots that you want in those 15 minutes. It's kind of tough sometimes. So having an extra battery will definitely be a big, I mean, that was like one of the main selling points of me getting this drone off Amazon for sure, was because I don't have to pay another 140, 120 bucks for another battery. It comes with 2. So that was a big plus for me. If you're looking for a drone, maybe that's something you should look at. Maybe getting it off of Amazon instead. I'm guessing these are like stickers and instructions and stuff like that. Here's the actual wand. So this right here, from what I've been told, you can fly with this thing. It has all the buttons and stuff on it. Hopefully that focuses. But also, if you want to put this, like, say I'm on my, I don't know, say I'm on a motorcycle. I was about to say my motorcycle, I don't have a bike anymore. Say I'm on a motorcycle or in my car, and you don't want to carry the big, huge remote around, you can stick this in your pocket, hook it on your jeans, whatever, and it will follow this. You don't have to carry the big remote around. So that was a plus as well. And it may not seem like a big deal, like, okay, you can put the remote in your backpack or whatever. Let me show you the size of this remote. Yeah. So trying to ride a bike with this is possible, but it would be pretty tough. Wow. Guys, this is freaking insane, dude. This is awesome, man. I definitely cannot wait to get this thing in the air. So there's kind of a, see if I can give you a close-up of this. And look at the size difference. So you see what I'm saying? Wouldn't you much rather carry this around than this? Wow. Another big thing was, guys, when I was flying my DJI, my phone, it would like drain my phone battery, and that was just like, it kind of sucked, you know, because if your phone wasn't fully charged after, like, you know, after a day of work. Obviously I don't do this full time, so say I get off work and I have to go to a house or whatever property to video, my phone's like on 60% already at the end of the day, then my phone is like, I mean, it drains your battery. So having this built-in tablet was a huge plus for me as well. So I'm just trying to give y'all guys kind of some of the reasons that I went with this instead of buying a DJI, which I'm a huge fan, man, of DJI. I love DJI products, but it was just kind of like a no-brainer for me on this kit. With everything that you get, it was just like a no-brainer, really. This, oh, okay, so this goes on the remote. It's like a sun shield, so you can actually see the screen pretty well. So now, the big reveal, the drone itself. Look at this thing, guys. Wow. This thing is freaking awesome. Sorry, I know this isn't like super professional. I'm not like at a table and whatever, but I was too excited to show you guys and to get this thing out that I didn't have time to do a big production. That is awesome, man. This thing is crazy. So obviously, carbon fiber is a whole lot stronger than plastic. So that was another big thing for me. All the carbon fiber wings and the landing gear. Another huge thing for me with this, again with this drone, was the landing gear. Whenever you take off, this comes up to here, and you don't have to see the legs inside the video. I had a couple videos where I had like an awesome shot, man. It was like a perfect shot, but the way that I turn or the speed that I was going, say if I was going backwards, sometimes you get the propellers or even the feet in the camera. So that was another big thing for me. Give you kind of a close-up of this thing here. I'm gonna take it off the table real quick. Here's the real sense, the camera. How cool is this, guys? So just wanted to give you guys kind of like a close-up of the drone. Pretty awesome, guys. I'm really stoked, man. I'm super excited to get this thing up in the air. I want to go ahead and put the blades on real quick and get this thing charging. I'm pretty sure I got to download some stuff, some firmware and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing rolling so I can get this done. Don't think these are charged, but it doesn't hurt to try. So each blade has a letter on it, and each one has its own little thing. Kind of crazy. Okay, it did come with 2 sets of blades. I thought that it was supposed to, and it did, so that's good. I was like, oh man. All right, so I don't know if this thing's charged, but let's try and turn it on. That's pretty awesome. I'm not gonna go through like all the settings and everything because I don't know any of it yet. Pretty much this is just gonna be like an unboxing video, and then probably tomorrow or something like that, I'll do like a first flight, because I think I have to download like some firmware and stuff like that to the drone and to the tablet and stuff. Unboxing videos, I mean, it's cool. You can kind of get an idea of what's in it, but the stuff that I look for on YouTube is like the actual flights and stuff like that. So I know that y'all are probably gonna want to see that more than the unboxing video, but I wanted to do an unboxing just in case somebody's trying to like figure out what all comes with it and stuff like that. So anyways, guys, I would get on Amazon if you're looking for a drone like this. Get on Amazon. I wouldn't go through Best Buy because you get a better deal on Amazon, and it's shipped like, I waited 2 days for this thing, I think. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. If you are new to the channel, then please subscribe, please like the video, drop a comment, tell me what you think, and if y'all want to see some different footage, let me know what you'd like to see. I have the access port and intake coming on the Subaru very soon. I also got a Cobb shift knob that I'm gonna do a little video over. I'll probably tie all that together because that's not really worthy of 2 separate videos or whatever. So got some stuff coming for the car, guys. I'm trying to pump out some footage for y'all. Hopefully gonna get some wheels soon. I was gonna wrap the car, but now I'm thinking that I might keep it white and just put some nice wheels on it. So let me know if you think that I should do the gunmetal gray wrap with wheels or just keep the white with the wheels, because I know a lot of people are like, oh man, I like the white, don't get rid of the white. And it's kind of growing on me too. Like, I started looking at the gunmetal gray and it's almost like a spray paint kind of look. So I don't know, I don't want it to look kind of like ghetto-ish and, you know, like it was done like in a like a Mako. I know there's nice Makos, don't get me wrong, but like a backyard shop, you know what I'm saying? Backyard little paint booth. I want it to look professional. I've been playing the crap out of Fortnite. So that's why I haven't really been crazy on YouTube, is because I've been playing that like crazy. And I know like I'm missing out on uploading Fortnite to YouTube because I know that's like huge right now. I need to get on that. I just need to figure out how to do it. Anyways, enough with the excuses. I will see y'all in the next one. Thank y'all so much for joining me. More footage coming with this thing. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace out.